I'm going to show you how to put an icon on your desktop if you have an Android phone. If you have an Apple phone, you will need to use a different process. All other phones are Android phones. An icon is one of these, and it just helps you get to where you are going easier. Today I'm going to show you how to do for Moby Max, but you could do it for other things you are using too, like Read Theory or Khan Academy, one of those. So I'm going to go to Chrome, that's my web browser, and then I'm going to go and type in Moby Max at the top. mobymax.com. And if you remember, the sign in is way up here at the top. It's an orange button way at the top. Click on that and you're going to get to the sign in screen. This is what we want to go to each time we decide to use Moby Max. So now, in order to get this icon on your home screen, you are going to go to the three dots at the top of the page on the right hand side, and then you are going to go down to Add to Home Screen. Click on that. Then you will see here it says Sign in Moby Max. That's where we want to go each time we use Moby Max. So click Add down here. And then you're going to click Add again. It just is asking you, do you want to add it to your home screen? Yes, Add. Now, this should be on my home screen. And I'm going to take a look. So here it is. It's a whale, and it says Sign in Moby Max. If I click on that, then it will bring me here so I can do my sign in. So each time I want to use Moby Max, all I have to do is look for that on my screen and get to the sign in.